All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about neglected cars. Now, what I mean by neglected cars, the cars you bring into the shop, they are destroyed, oil's leaking out of every sealing surface on the vehicle, interior's destroyed, the car's in horrible shape, every light on the dash is on. And to give you an example, I had one yesterday and today. I fixed it today. Car came in, fuel smell, and requested spark plugs. Car looks like it's been through a war. The key is broken off in the ignition. Obviously, the guy lives in a tough neighborhood because the pry marks on the driver's door attest to that. Check engine light was multiple codes, obviously has not been, taken care of. It had been leaking fuel for a while. Goo on the gas tank was ridiculous, because you start leaking gas and it starts accumulating all the gunk and oil and all that. The gas smell was a broken fuel line. The only fuel line on that car as a returnless system. Yay. It wasn't a big deal for me on my end. It was dropping the tank, putting a new fuel pump module in it, putting it back together and shipping it out. I got a nice little burn on my hand, by the way, from the socket wrench the guy left under the hood because he was trying to figure out how to take the spark plug wires off. Yeah. So what am I getting at with this little rant? We all get them. We all get those neglected cars that the customer has taken no care of for whatever reason. Lack of money, trying to make it ends meet. We've all been there. Am I calling him out for not taking care of his car? No. He paid for the repair. I understand that people have financial trouble, struggling along. But as a technician, it kind of hurts my soul to see a car in that state of repair. You want to do better for the car than what the customer's doing for it. All I could do was make sure he had air in his tires, make sure all his fluids were topped off, and do the repair he authorized as best I could. But that was the extent. Other than coming out of my pocket and fixing his car out of charity, it just kind of sucks when you have to let a car like that leave because it is in such a poor state of repair. I get spoiled at this shop because our customers generally do fix their cars. Get spoiled with that, and anytime I've got a car come in a very poor state of repair, it always makes me remember that people do struggle out there. So when you get a car like that, you got to just look at it as do the best you can with what they can afford to do and, move on. And hope it keeps them going because that's all they can afford. So thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.